Alright, doing one quick video before I tear this thing down. This is how it sits as of January like 10th or so, 11th, whatever, 2020. Plastics are pretty scratched. That fender's gonna stay, but these things aren't. Those aren't. You see how faded and messed up they are from the sun. See, this thing's mostly pretty sound, but it's extremely dirty. See how grimy that carb is. You see how rusty this pipe is. I'm not sure that mount's even holding together anymore. So, it's already got a fork upgrade. There's a KDX200 front forks that I swapped onto it and rebuilt, so those are pretty much the only thing that don't need to be messed with. Also got a modern, like an 07 KX250 front fender. I think it looks way nicer. But yep, hopefully mechanically not a whole lot's gonna be done, but it should look way nicer. Oh yeah, and one last thing. I noticed it just did this since it started sitting. This clutch is like super stiff, and it doesn't return all the way. So it's one more thing I gotta try to figure out. So, plans are gonna replace the shrouds, side panels, gonna repaint the frame, gonna paint that engine completely black, or mostly black and chrome. The only colors I want on this when it's done are, other than the forks, are green and black, and then just bare metal. So I'm gonna have to do that shock, or that spring too. That shouldn't be too bad. Really looking forward to it. Hopefully it comes out good.